It all happened during the race at Flight Camp, where I stood alone against all odds to defend Fluttershy's honor. People thought that the Sonic Rainbow was just an old mare's tale. But that day, the day I discovered racing, I proved that the legends were true. I made the impossible happen. And that, little ones, is how you earn a cutie mark. Whoa! Wait a second. I heard that explosion, and I saw the rainbow too. Rainbow Dash, if you hadn't scared the animals, I never would have learned I could communicate with them and gotten my cutie mark. I heard that too, and right afterwards there was this amazing rainbow that taught me to smile. When I got my cutie mark, I saw a rainbow that pointed me home. I bet it was your Sonic Rainbow. There was an explosion I could never explain when I got my cutie mark. This is uncanny. If that explosion didn't happen when it did, I would have blown my entrance exam. Rainbow Dash, I think you helped me earn my cutie mark too. All owe our cutie marks to you. Do you realize what this means? All of us had a special connection before we even met. We've been BFFs forever, and we didn't even know it. Come here, y'all. Ew. Give me a break. Come on, Crusaders. Maybe we just need to try zip lining again.